Watch how this powerful dashboard generates print-ready Amazon KDP puzzle books in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in.
Today I'm going to show you the inside of Manaka Royalties. So first, your users, the audience, is going to have access to Bo's pods, and they're going to scroll down and they're going to see Manaka Royalties, and they have access to six unique puzzle makers, and each of these puzzle makers are proven to earn on Amazon KDP. And as for the rest of the funnel, they also have they can also get access to Shogun Pro apps. This is another set of 6 different puzzle types. On top of that, there's Drawn Ultima. These have an artisanal type of puzzle creation, like if they're made by hand, even though it's all AI. Hand-drawn word search, hand-drawn mazes, hand-drawn crosswords. But the prize upgrade here is Kai Elite. This injects all of the other apps with AI so that you can create activity books. Okay. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the regular FE users can use the tool and how people with the AI injection can use the tools. And also, I also want to add that our AI doesn't require any API AI keys, and it doesn't require any type of recurring. Okay. This is all taken care of in-house. We provide the AI to our user base, and they can access the AI via Bo's pods to elevate their books, their puzzle books, from just your standard puzzle book to an activity book with a cohesive story and a coloring book aspect on top of the puzzles. Let me show you how that works. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on the maze generator. We got page, bulk, and story. I'll get into story at the very end. This is a really cool way to create a story around mazes. It's an activity book, and it uses AI. It requires very little of you, which is great. But you can do it. You can create these mazes page by page, which I don't recommend. If you have this tool, then you want to create bulk mazes, right? You want to create your interior in one go. Okay, but there's the option here, and the controls remain the same. But let's go to bulk. Now, you can keep it at 8.5 by 11. That's your standard book size. Also 6 by 9 works. And if you want to get, for like a kid's book, you want to go square, usually, not always. You can always go 8.5 by 11. Let's stick to 8.5 by 11. Now, the cool thing about this maze generator is it has a ton of different mazes. We got your regular square. We got hexagon. We got circular. We got triangular. We got weave. We got hand-drawn. We got arrows. An arrow maze, very difficult. We got math. Wow, look at that. Okay. On top of that, we can add the difficulty level. So this is very simple. This is a very simple one. Very simple. We just go down here, grid size, and change its complexity. We can even go even further. We go down here, and where is that? Appearance. Complexity, we can go even more. Look at that. Look at that. We can go with weave. Look how complex that is. Bring it down, make it nice and simple. Triangular, let's go down to 10. Okay. Let's go to 20, whatever you want to do. Math, same thing. We can make it, we can add multiplication along with division. We can remove addition and subtraction if you want. It's up to you. And we can increase the max number of problems here. Really cool stuff. Anyways, like I said, we want to create a bulk book. Okay, let's create a hexagonal book. Let's make it a little bit more difficult, like that. Okay, really cool. And we want to add the amount. How many mazes per page? Let's go with 50, 59. Let's go 59. 59. Click add to queue. Once we got that going, we can click generate all 59 pages, and there we go. We're done. We have our book. Okay, let's get rid of this one up here, and let's keep the hexagonal ones, and we got our book. And of course, the solutions are at the very end. Now, once we're done, you want to click up here again. If you want to format your book off site and do it on Canva, you want to download PNG or SVG. If you want to do old school PowerPoint right here, or if you want to create one entire PDF like I like to do, then you click that right here. It's going to export your book. You download it. Then all you got to do is add your copyright, and you're good to go. You can publish it on Amazon KDP. However, we always want to add more value to our books. We want to create a really cool user experience, right? Let me show you what that looks like first. Let me show you what this looks like. So you see that? And at the very bottom, we have the solutions, okay? All good stuff. But let's expand on this and let's create a real engaging book. Let's create an activity book with mazes. We go to story. This is an elite function. And let's say we want a random idea. So let the AI create a random idea for us. Okay, let's clear all this stuff here. And it's going to create a random idea. And then we click, once it creates our idea for us, we click generate and build book. Now, keep your computer on for a bit. Let it do its thing. It's about a couple minutes. Now, this is a very complex process. The AI is not only creating mazes, creating a story around the mazes. It's creating a coloring book aspect around the mazes. It's creating something that would take you a long time. Even with AI, it'd take you a long time to do this because you have to compile everything, format everything, and yeah, this does it all for you. Okay, so I'm gonna let this run, and once it's done, I'll come back and show you. Okay, so here we have our activity book is done, and we have the coloring book, we got the maze aspect, and once we're done, we just click single PDF, or you can download it any way you want actually. And we have a genuine activity book, something that would take a long time, even with AI, to do. You can have it now done in a matter of minutes, right? The important part that is the actual bulk, right? Which is really cool. We have a story, cohesive story with a consistent character, and again, really cool stuff. All of the other puzzle types within Manaka Royal they all have AI, and you can create these activity books around mazes, around Sudoku, around word search, around crosswords, all good stuff.